Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover or reset your Gmail account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. So, to reset your Gmail account's password, firstly open your Gmail application. An email setting up page will appear. Click on Google option among the listed one. It will lead you to the sign-in page of Google. Enter your email address and click on Next. On the next page, you need to enter your password. Click on Forgot Password. It will take you to the account recovery page. You will require a verification code to reset your password. Choose a way you want to receive your verification code, either it's through a text or a call. I will be choosing a text message to receive a code. A text message with 6 digits will be sent to your phone number. Enter the verification code and click on Next. You can now update your password. Click on Update Password. Enter your new password and confirm your password by re-entering it and then click on Change Password. This is how you can change your password quickly and easily. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.